Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had a patient miss their report-ready SMS or just need to quickly resend the report link, this tutorial is for you. We're going to walk through the super fast process right in the Laboratory Information System, LIS. Step 1. Once you're logged into the LIS, take a look at your homepage. You'll see a panel, usually on the side or top, labeled something like Use following keys as shortcuts. Step 2. Within that shortcut panel, locate and click the option that says Resend SMS/report. This takes you to the Resend tool. Step 3. The system needs to know which report you're looking for. In the search box, you need to enter the service reference number. This is typically the CHL or CHM number associated with the patient's order. Enter the number, and then click the search button. Step 4. You'll now see all the details related to that patient, including their name, phone number, and importantly, the report link. Before you hit send, it's crucial to carefully check and confirm the patient's phone number. If it's correct, go ahead and click the resend button. You should immediately see a confirmation message box that says the message was successfully sent. That's it. Once you've successfully clicked resend, here's what happens on the patient's end. Immediately after you see the successfully sent pop up, the patient's mobile phone will receive a new SMS notification, typically from a sender like Care Labs. When the patient opens the SMS, they will see a message containing the key information. Inside this message, they will find two separate links ready to be tapped. The first link is for Report View. This is the direct link to their lab results. The second link is the feedback link, allowing them to quickly share their experience. When the patient touches the first link, the Report View link, their browser will open, and they can immediately view their lab reports. They can now read, download, or share their results easily. And that's how seamless the end-to-end report delivery process is. Now, there's a great other option if the patient prefers receiving the link on an app like WhatsApp or another messenger. You can simply copy the report link directly from the system. Then, you can paste this link into your chat with the patient. From this link, the patient can access their report instantly, which is super convenient for them. And there you have it, 2 fast ways to make sure your patient gets their report. Use the Resend SMS button for the fastest way, or copy the report link for sharing on WhatsApp or other platforms. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more LIS tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.